Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Wrap House Simulator Prologue on your PC for free. So the first step is open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is go to the official Steam website, and there we will search for this game. Now make sure you have created a free account on Steam and of course installed the Steam application. After that you can search for the game Wrap House Simulator Prologue. Once you have found it, select it, and then we will scroll a little bit down. And there you will find the free version of Wrap House Simulator Prologue. Now make sure you have created a free account and installed the application as I told you to do. And then you are able to click on this button and this game will be added to your game library. And then you are able to play Wrap House Simulator Prologue on your PC for free. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!